Today we will be studying early America before the Europeans had discovered it and started their own colonies. Since life is thought to have started in Africa, there was obviously a way that many people were able to travel through North America. Most scientists have come up with two theories regarding this. The first theory is known as the land bridge theory, in which during the Ice Age people crossed from Asia over through Africa, through Canada, and down into the United States. The second theory is called the coastal route theory, in which people from Asia took boats over to our west coast of California. After time, civilizations started to pop up all over the American continent. As climate changed and time passed, nomadic people settled down and started to farm using irrigation. A nomad is a person that goes from place to place in search of food. Tribes later formed the three largest civilizations in North and South America, known as the Mayas, the Incas, and the Aztecs. There were more than this, but these are the three major ones. While these Native American civilizations are growing and becoming prosperous in North America and South America, the Eastern Hemisphere was seeing changes as well. In the Middle East, we saw advances of learning in algebra, medicine, and astronomy, and also trade became widespread in Africa and Asia. If you recall from last year, the most famous trade route was the Silk Road leading to China. People from all over the world were able to trade with China because of the Silk Road. But eventually it will become too dangerous and it will shut down. Also, while the European and Asian civilizations are prospering, you're going to see religious changes as well. The two major religions in Europe during this time are Judaism and Christianity. If you recall from last year, the Crusades began as a struggle between the Christians and the Muslim forces for dominance over the Holy Land, which was Jerusalem in present-day Israel. Also, during this time, you're going to see corruption in the Catholic Church, like we discussed last year, in which priests were accepting indulgences or bribes to forgive sins. This led to the Protestant Reformation with Martin Luther in 1517. During this time, Christians split from Catholics, forming a variety of different Christian religions. While religion was changing, so were political ideas. During the feudal period, many nations developed under monarchies or kings and queens. Also, you have the ideas of Athenian democracy from Greece and the Roman Republic, which still circulate today. As a reminder, democracy is a form of government in which an assembly of ordinary citizens makes the decisions or laws. In a republic, it is a form of government in which people choose representatives to govern them, much like we do with the president and Congress here in the United States. Right before America is discovered by Christopher Columbus, Europe will enter into a time period known as the Renaissance, which is a rebirth in thinking and culture after the Middle Ages. During this time, science and invention grew, especially with the printing press. The age of exploration started shortly after the beginning of the Renaissance in the 1400s. During this time, famous explorers like Christopher Columbus are looking for different routes across the world to trade faster. Christopher Columbus will set sail for a faster route to India in 1492. At this time, there was different beliefs on whether or not the world was flat or round. Also, many people, except the Vikings, were not aware that there actually was a North and South America. They thought if they had sailed west, they would bump into Japan or China. Columbus never actually found the United States of America, but he found Cuba 3 months after he set sail. But he thought he had first hit India because, again, he was not aware that North and South America existed.